So we will use our formula here, so which is equals to large and then tab. Now you have to select range where we have our data. So we'll select from here till the end. Now we will use comma as per the formula. Now we have to select K, which means on the upper side what number you want to see. Let's say I want to see the largest among these all. So I will select 1. So I want to see the first one on the top. So then bracket over and enter. So it is showing the first one is 48,000, which we have here. Let's say now I want to see top 5. So I will use formula here, large and then tab. I will select this range, then F4 to lock this, then comma as per the formula. So now for K, I'll use this, a cell beside it, and then enter. And here I'll write 2, so it will show you second highest. And then if I drag this, and then here I'll write 3, 4, 5,